Hi guys, this is Anish here from BlackBull Markets. Keen to do a quick video, more of an FAQ video, to show you guys how to check the leverage on your MT4 account. Now there are two very simple ways to do it, and I'm going to show you how. So firstly, what we can see is we have our MT4 account window here. Make sure you have the terminal bar set up. If you cannot locate the terminal bar, find it from your top toolbar here, which is this little button here next to the folders. If you hover over it, it will say terminal. Alternatively, hit Control plus T on your keyboard. That's Control T. Take it away, put it back in again. There you go. Now the next step is to find Account History tab. So you have various tabs at the bottom here. Hit Account History. That will get you there. Now right click Account History and hit Save as Detailed Report. Save as Detailed Report. That will bring up your pop-up window prompting you to save as a HTML. Simply click Save and you will get a window that looks like this. And right at the top of the window you have your account number, your name, your currency, and your leverage. So that's the quick fix to find what the leverage is on your account. Now, note that leverage is usually just for FX majors. And if you want to confirm that, you can also right-click the symbol in your Market Watch window, hit Specification, and find the margin percentage. And that will also tell you how much of the margin that is on the FX majors. So, two quick fixes there to find out what the leverage is on your account. For any questions, please do let us know. And for more great FAQ or tutorial videos like this, subscribe below. Comment, like, share. All the best with your trading. Take care.